Chrono AI is one of the most anticipated software tools to drop recently, and today I'm going to reveal 7 crucial things you need to know about it before you dive in. Whether you're a digital marketer, a business owner, or just someone looking for the next big AI tool to improve your workflow, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how Chrono can help streamline your operations, and why it might be exactly what you've been waiting for. Now, you can try Chrono AI completely free through the first link in the description, so make sure you check that out after this video. You don't want to miss the free access. But let's get into it. Chrono is designed to be an AI-driven platform that helps users manage various tasks in their business or daily life, integrating with both simple and complex workflows. One of its key features is how intuitive it is for people at all levels of tech expertise. You don't need to be a developer to make it work for you. The first thing that sets Chrono apart is its ability to automate time-consuming tasks that usually require manual input. Tasks like scheduling, content creation, data analysis, and even customer interactions are now handled seamlessly through Chrono It's like having your own digital assistant who never sleeps, always on the clock and highly efficient. This alone makes it a game changer for anyone looking to save time and scale their business operations. Next up, it's highly customizable. While many AI tools are rigid in their use cases, Chrono allows you to adjust settings, workflows, and features to suit your exact needs. Whether you're looking to automate customer service inquiries or manage your content calendar, you can tweak it for personal use or adapt it for large-scale business operations. Another impressive feature is its ability to integrate with a wide range of third-party platforms. Chrono syncs effortlessly with popular tools like Google Workspace, Slack, Shopify, and many others. This means you don't have to jump between different applications to get your work done. Everything can be done in one unified platform, which really boosts productivity. For those of you concerned about AI's learning curve, Chrono does a fantastic job of being user-friendly. The dashboard is clean, and you don't need an extensive training session to get started. In fact, within just a few minutes of signing up, you can start automating tasks and seeing results. Its simple interface makes it ideal for those who are just getting into AI software and don't want to waste time with complicated setups. Now, something that a lot of AI tools miss is the level of support you get. Chrono excels in this department, offering 24/7 customer support through live chat and email. If you run into an issue or just need guidance, you'll have access to a team ready to help, which is a huge bonus for users who aren't necessarily tech experts. One of the most exciting aspects of Chrono AI is its use of advanced machine learning algorithms. This means the more you use it, the smarter it gets. Over time, it learns your preferences and behaviors, making suggestions and adjustments that can save you even more time. It's essentially like having an AI tool that grows with you and adapts to your needs. And of course, security is always a top priority. Chrono takes it seriously, offering encryption and compliance with major data privacy standards. You can trust that your data is safe, whether you're handling sensitive customer information or business data. As I mentioned earlier, you can try Chrono AI completely free through the first link below. If you're serious about improving efficiency, saving time, and integrating smart automation into your processes, it's definitely worth exploring. Finally, if you're into AI, you'll want to check out some of my recommended AI tools in the description below. After testing thousands of AI software programs, these are the ones that I've found to offer the best value and results. That's it for this review of Chrono AI. Make sure to check out the links and try it for free. Don't miss out on an opportunity to boost your workflow with cutting-edge AI technology.